pentatonic. And I'll show these all to you. Right? If I play G major pentatonic, you can do it right here. Use the exact same shape. I'm not going to use the open string. I'm going to do it demonstrate it up here so you can see it. But the root note is not here. It's the same pattern, and you just start on the second note. Has a totally different sound, but it uses the exact same shape. So it's just offset. So if you know the 5 positions for a minor pentatonic, you can then basically kind of switch it to major and just shift it, and it's always the same. See, if you do G minor pentatonic here, B minor pentatonic's right here, same pattern. So the second pattern is always in relationship to it. So if you play something, you can shift it around. Like play a G minor chord like that. Just for a second, play that. Yeah. Then I play G minor pentatonic scale. Now do a major one. Do G, yeah. Right, or do minor again. Do it again. Right, now let's do B minor for instance. Now do B minors on the 7th fret, even though if you don't know that, go up to here. Up here, and then do the same chord but minor. Okay. So now I can do that same pattern, right? And then the second shape would be right here. It'd be the same relationship, right? B major would be down here. Play a B major, so just add your middle finger.
So just add it.
Yep. It's like it's like the most useful and kind of like I wouldn't even say it's basic, but you have grasped that concept and you can start playing all over the neck, and you just need to know what key the tune is. So that's it. And then there's licks within all that stuff, you know, that you can combine the patterns. You know. And so then there's those pentatonic scales. Then there's the diatonic scales, which have all 7. So a pentatonic scale has 5 notes. The diatonics have 7. So then you can start playing modally. So since there's 7 notes on the diatonic scale, then there's 7 different places you can play them on the guitar. So if I'm playing, I'm just going to demonstrate it before I write it down.
Are there 5 different places to play it on the pentatonic?
5 different places to play it. Yeah, starting 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and then on 7th, on the diatonic scales, there's 7 different places. Right? It seems complicated, but it's really only 7 patterns you need to memorize, and then I can show you ways.
It sounds complicated right now.
It does, but once you start doing it,
it would just all I have to do is move where I want
the diatonic just the pentatonic with 2 extra notes?
Yeah, basically. Yeah, it's basically that. Yeah, it has 2 extra notes. So play a G major real quick, and I'll play a diatonic. I can start to play again. I'll start on the second note. Next one. That's the same chord. It'll be fine. That's it. Next one. Next one. And again. Then I'm back home. Right. So I think that is the best place to start, because then you can he's super friendly. Then you can start how chords are built and whatnot. So why don't we do that? Let's start with a. You've probably played the shape before. Let's do G minor pentatonic. Do you know that shape?
I don't know what that.
Okay, so it's super easy. It's just you're gonna play 3rd fret, right? It's 2 notes per string. This is the 6th fret. With your pinky, then the 3rd fret, and the 5th. Same thing. Then, yep. Then back down. Do it again. Right, sweet. So that's the first pattern there. Now